What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Gala, which has taken a slight dip in value over the last 24 to 48 hours. As you can see, it is down 12% guys. It has dropped below the 5-cent target and currently trading at 0.04402 cents. So we're going to be going through, is it going to drop further? Is this the time to invest into it, or should you wait for it to drop even further, or should you sell it? Covering both buyers and the seller's point of view and looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023. Where is Gala heading to, and is it worth investing into it? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So it is not looking too good for the crypto market guys. It is down 3%, and as you can see, most cryptos are red today, including Bitcoin dropping 3% in value, Adana dropping, or ADA dropping over 5% in value as well. So as you can see, it's not looking too good, and we are seeing Gala in the top losers list. We are used to seeing in the top gainers, but today guys, it is in the top losers list. And as you can see, in the last hour itself, it has dropped 1% over the last day, 12% over the week. It is still up 6%, and over the month it's still a massive 120% up guys. And in my previous updates on Gala, I did mention do expect it to drop a little bit before it goes back up in value, and that's what's happening right now. As you can see, after every peak in value, there is a minimal drop, and that's been taking place since the start of January, and it's still ongoing. It is a repeated cycle, but we should see it pump very soon. So let's get onto the CoinMarketCap website. We can see the trading volume has dropped a little bit by 4% in the last 24 hours, making it $388 million in trading, which is still a huge amount of money being traded. However, the only reason it's dropped is because not many people are trading it right now due to its drop. So most people are just holding on to it. They're not buying, they're not selling. And yes, we are seeing a lot of people panic selling it, but personally guys, I'm into crypto for the long term, and I did mention to my previous updates, short-term traders, it is a very risky time to get into Gala right now because it's very likely to drop. And yeah, that's basically what's happened. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, currently valuing Gala at 0.03545. This is the SMA indicator, but it's still trading above its average value at 0.04394, meaning it's performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors. But before I do that guys, as usual, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we can see the blue and the orange line are both heading towards the bearish direction, looking a little bit negative. However, they're not looking too steep, so they are just about slanting towards the bearish side, meaning an overall minimal drop in value is what I'm expecting from Gala over the next 12 to 14 hours, potentially dropping down to about 0.042 to 0.044 is what I'm expecting Gala to be trading at towards the end of the day today. And again, in between that time, it's likely for it to drop lower than that, or it might go for a minimal pump in value. It's going to be up and down. It's going to be quite volatile, just like how it's been over the last 24 hours, but the overall outcome seems to slightly be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, we got the orange line going in a bullish direction, looking quite positive, and the blue line is heading towards a negative direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what I'm expecting from Gala over the coming days. So over the next week or so, so let's say by mid next week, I'm expecting Gala to be trading at around 0.045 cents in target. In between that, over the next 7 days, but again, it doesn't mean it's going to be consistently staying at that price for the next 7 days. Of course not. It is likely to drop, is likely to gain value above the 5-cent target as well. It's going to be up and down guys, but by mid next week we should see Gala trading between the 4 and 5 cents. So where it's trading at the moment is where it's likely to be by this time next week as well. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, again guys, we do have the mixed signal here. We've got the blue line looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line is still looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So again, both the lines are going the opposite direction, but that does not mean that it's going to be fluctuating at its current price range over the coming weeks. What I am expecting is an overall increase in value on Gala over the coming weeks. So by mid-March to late March 2023, I'm expecting Gala to be trading above the 10 cents target. I've mentioned this in most of my previous videos, and I still stick by that as well. 10 cents is where I'm expecting Gala to be trading at by mid to late March 2023. But again, this may change according to if the market goes through a crash. Just like right now, it's not really a major crash, but it has dipped a little bit, and not just Gala, but the whole crypto market has taken a little dip. So anything like that, but on a bigger scale, obviously, if it goes for a major crash, 10, 15, 20%, something like that could have a major impact, not just on the value of Gala, but the whole crypto market in general, making it move in a negative direction, meaning delaying the process of the crypto hitting 10 cents. Or it could either go the other way as well. If it goes for a major bull run or a price pump, then we could see Gala hitting 10 cents very early. But again, anything like that which I can predict, I will make sure to keep you guys updated on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you can see, we are still in the red zone, guys. We haven't moved much, but I am expecting us to hit the green zone by mid-year, as I keep mentioning in my videos, and I still stick by that as well. Mid-year is where I'm expecting Gala to be trading in the green zone or hitting the resistance target and heading into the green zone towards the second half of this year. But again, it could be it could be after or before that, depending on how the crypto market performs. But so far, mid-year is what I'm expecting Gala to be heading into the green zone. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Gala, guys. So for now, those of you asking, is it time to buy right now or should you wait for it to drop further? As I mentioned earlier, I am expecting it to drop a little bit more over the next 12 to 14 hours. So personally, again, if you are for the short-term hold, then it's a risky time to get into it. But if you are for the long-term hold, guys, I would personally hold on. I would personally buy it right now even. And I'm not sure if you guys have heard of it. Average cost dollar is something that I use as well. So I've been using that for a long time. Sorry, not average cost dollar, sorry, dollar cost averaging is what I've been using as well when I invest into crypto, and yeah, it seems to be working for me. For example, how it works is, you say you've got $100 you want to spend and you buy $10 every single day, and yeah, it averages out the value instead of spending $100 straight away right now. In case it does drop, then yes, it is good for you, and if it gains value and then drops, then yeah, it's going to be the average anyway. But yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video, guys. Just a quick update on Gala. Let me know in the comment section down below what your expectations and your predictions on this crypto. What is your end of year target for this crypto? What is the highest or lowest figure of this crypto can hit? Comment down below. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me as I'm trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.